Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how to add Weather to Notion. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Creating a Notion Weather widget is completely free. You just have to find the widgets online. There are a couple of tools that let you do it, but for this guide, we have decided to use Indify and Meteoblue's Weather widget. So let's start with Meteoblue. First of all, go to meteoblue.com, then click Widgets on the left side, then Widget 3H. You will find the link on the description to lend you to this page automatically. First, you have to add your preferred location. To do that, use the search bar at the top of the page. Or you can select Detect User Location to detect location of the user. Then you have to customize the widget to your preference: days, temperature units, wind speed units. Once you are done customizing the widgets, be sure to copy the whole code into HTML section. For the next part, you should go to the page in Notion where you want to add the weather widget. Type /embed and select the embed block. Then add the weather widget's code within the embed block. And after adding the code into the block, you should click the embed link button. And then the weather widget will be displayed into your Notion page after a couple of seconds. You can use the default tools in Notion to resize and move it as you see fit. Now the second way, go to indify.co and create your account. Then confirm your email address. You can also sign up with your own Google account. This will help you skip the verification step. Once logged in, select Weather Widget from the Volume 1. And you will have a link ready to use in Notion. You can use the interface in Indify to customize your notification weather widget. Enter the location you want the forecast for, your preferred units of measure, and adjust the style to suit your aesthetic. Then copy the link at the bottom of the customizer in Indify and do the same as the first way. Paste it in the embed block. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it's did, you can click the like button, that helps a lot. Thank you and bye bye.